Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Pro, and these earbuds are designed to give you immersive sound experience. So if you are getting a brand new one, it should have a sticker right here. So say do not accept if seal is broken. So there is a seal right here to identify this is a genuine fully package. So I'm just going to cut the seal right here, and I'm going to cut it down here as well. On this side is just a sticky tape, and then I'm going to pull it out, and let me pull it out right now, and we're going to take a look what is inside. Now at the top there is a booklet. So let's open up the booklet and see what is inside this booklet. So it has a thick, quick start guide. The reason it's thick because it's come in different languages. As you can see right here, there are different languages available in this booklet. And then we've got this one right here, warranty card. Again, it's got different languages in this warranty card. Then there is a cable. So this is, let's see which type of cable this is. So we got USB-C type cable. So you got USB-A to USB-C. So this is the USB-A you can plug into the old charger that using the older style, and this is the USB-C cable type. And then this small box here, I think it contains the cover, the earbuds cover. So let's see how many there are. There are 4 in here, so 2 pairs. I would think they are different size, so you can replace them. So you got the smaller size, then a larger one. Maybe in here is the medium size. So they are for earbuds cover. I'm just going to place it on the side now, and we're going to take a look at the actual earbuds. So here it is. I'm just going to pull it out. It's actually quite heavy. It's a bit more weight than the previous version. So inside here, it's already has battery in here. So this is a silver one. So it comes in 3 different colors. You got phantom violet, you got black, and silver. So this is a silver one, and you can see this is the Galaxy earbuds right here. So it's quite nice, the case, and it appears that this earbuds you can easily place it in. There's some kind of like a magnet or something that once you put it in, it's kind of like suck it down. Maybe there's some kind of magnet in the case. And yeah, so that is what inside this case here. Samsung Sound by AKG. And at the back here, there are some printing as well. So it says made in Vietnam. So it's right there in the last line. It says made in Vietnam. And so there is also a light out here indicating whether it's charging or not. And this case here, when you close it, it simply just snap in. As you can see, if you close it, it will snap right in. So it has a this earbuds has a powerful 2-way speaker. There are functions such as cinematic surround sound with 360 audio. It has a 3 microphone system, and also has ambient sound. What ambient sound is that it allows you to hear outside sound, and it also has an automatic switching. So let's say if you go to a coffee shop and then you start to speaking to someone, then the phone will, not the phone, but the earbuds will automatically switches mode, so that it can allow you to hear what the outside sound as well as the inside sound on the earbuds. Now with this rubber seal here, it is designed to block out wind, so you will not hear the wind sound blowing in your ear. And if you look carefully around here, there are different microphones surrounding your earbuds to trying to monitor outside sound. And then there are lots of sensors. As you can see, there are lots of sensors on the earbuds as well. And even surround here, there are microphones. So that is constantly monitoring the outside sound. And if it detects outside sound, it can automatically switch its mode. Now with Audio 360, you can hear music coming from all different directions with the implementation of Dolby head tracking with this one right here. If you happen to missing one or two of these earbuds, you can easily locate it using a SmartThings app, and that will basically send a signal and it will make these earbuds create some loud noise so that you can hear and try to find it. Now, even if this is in offline mode, you still can find it if it is connected to your smartphone and using the SmartThings app. That app should be able to help you to locate your missing earbuds. Now, another cool feature about this earbuds is that it allows two Galaxy Buds to connect to the same phone to share the same audio. So if you listen to a song that you like and you want to have your friend to listen to that same song with you, you can actually share it. So that is really cool. Now this earbuds has a fast charging feature. So in 5 minutes, of charging, you can actually use it up for 1 hour. So 5 minutes charge allows you to use the earbuds for 1 hour. And it also has the wireless charging capabilities. So with this case here, you can place it on a wireless charger and you can charge it as well. And there is a water resistance of IPX7. And so that is everything inside the box, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.